and welcome back to my channel. In this video we will get ready together. I usually avoid doing this type of videos because I start talking and I talk and I talk and the word is ending and I am still talking. I would also like to say a big thank you to Emma Kaful or Kaful. I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name. I want to say a big thank you because you are always commenting on my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and also spending your precious time with me watching my videos. Thank you so much. And without further ado, let's get started with this video because I will start talking and I will not stop. A little bit of tea. Oh my god, this tea is so good. Guys, sometimes I just don't want to do anything on my hair. This is one of the days. I hope that by the end of the video I will do some curls. Maybe I will do nothing. For primer, I will use the Beautifying Touch by Icona Milano, and I have received this primer in one of my glossy boxes and I cannot find it anywhere, so I don't use it that often, so I don't use all of it. And I will use like a pea-sized amount of product, and I like to blend it and massage it into my fingers first and then just press it at first on the pores that I have here. And I have noticed that my pores are more visible the last year for some reason, and I have very dry skin and very sensitive skin. I'm guessing that my pores are more visible now because my skin is getting drier and my skin just tells me, hey, give us moisture. And I'm guessing this is why. This is not a scientifically proven theory. On the forehead as well, and whatever is left on my fingers I just use it on my neck because I always blend a small amount of foundation on my neck. I am also sorry about my inconsistency in posting videos on YouTube. My working schedule has changed and it is a little difficult for me to post 5 videos every week. I want to post 5 videos per week because I have so many ideas and so many products to test. I want to find the drugstore next top product and I want to share it with you. So I want to post 5 videos per week. At the current time, I'm not sure if I will be able, and my goal is to post 3 to 5 videos and I hope I can make it. I'm not very sure if you will get notified if I post 3 videos per week. If you want, you can click on the notification bell next to the subscribe button so you will get notified 100%. For foundation, I will use the Unlimited Foundation by Icona Milano and I will mix it with the Makeup Transformer Drops by Catrice Cosmetics in Lightening, and my foundation is in Cool Rose number 20 and this is a little bit pinkish and I prefer when my foundation has also a little bit of yellow, so I will mix it with the Lightening Transformer Drops, and this is the perfect color for me when I mix them together. And I just apply it on my skin. I will also use this brush by Essence. This is a makeup buffer brush and I like this brush very much. This is the first time that I have this type of brush and it doesn't leave any strikes on the skin. I love it. I will also take some product from the back of my hand and I will start applying my foundation. Also, if you haven't used Unlimited Foundation before, it has a very mild scent like a perfume, so make sure that you test it in the store and see if you like the scent, because I know some people, they are very sensitive and they don't like scents, so keep that in mind. Have you watched the Black Panther movie? I have tried a few times to go with my husband, but the movie theater was full and we couldn't see the movie. So have you watched it? Did you like it? So for concealer, I will use Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline in shade 10, and I have used almost all of this concealer and I like it very much. It is lightweight on my skin, also it blends very easy and I love it. So Jessica Jones has some new episodes on Netflix. Have you watched the season 1, guys? I loved season 1. At some point I was loving the bad guy And yeah, I will not say anything because if you didn't see season 1, I don't want to spoiler anything. And we started watching season 2 of Jessica Jones. And guys, it is so good. A lot of my friends are recommending Black Mirror. Have you watched it? Do you like it? I have only seen the first episode of season 1 and I didn't like it. I didn't like the ending because, you know, sometimes I just want to see a comedy or something funny or entertaining to feel good and go to sleep. And it was so depressing. So let me know, do you guys like the other episodes? Me and my husband, most of the times we watch TV shows instead of going outside and, you know, do something more adult-like, go to bars or restaurants. We go to restaurants pretty often, but it's not like something very formal. It is more to get something to eat, and we are foodies. We like finding new places to eat. So I apply just a little bit, and then I take the powder puff of Laura Mercier again. I just press it into the lid and then tap the excess off into the lid so we don't lose any powder, and then just tap on our skin, very lightly of course. And I prefer this way of setting my face when I am in a hurry and it is set. I will not need any more powder on this area. And that's because you apply more powder with a powder puff. It picks up more product than a brush. So a little goes a long way with this powder. Have you watched my Nikki tutorials follow makeup tutorial that I did? So in that video, I have tried for the first time to bake my under eye area. And I have tried it again, guys, and I don't like it because it makes my under eye area so dry, and in person it doesn't look nice. I mean, with a lot of lights you don't actually see that my face is cakey with that amount of powder on my skin. To set my eyes, I will use a brush by Morphe. I will continue with contouring my face. I will use this Sun Glow Matte Bronzing Powder by Catrice Cosmetics, and this is in medium bronze. And I will use my 109 MAC brush. Ooh, be careful, girl. So let's apply some. I have found another ear headband from Forever 21. And I don't know which color to get, so I will show you 2 options. I will have here option 1 and here option 2, and you will tell me which one to buy. Let me in the comments below tell me which one, option 1 or option 2. So something else that I want to do is to start posting every month my empties. Or maybe I can do every 3 months or 6 months. I have another empties video that they were stuff that I had for 1 year. Let me know if you prefer 3, 1 month or 6 months or 1 year. What do you like? And I have realized that I am doing a lot of first impressions and review videos. And sometimes I'll tell you I will keep you posted for makeup products and I never do. So I will start doing update videos. Oh, I realized that I have ghost lips. Me loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Calm down, lady. For blush, I will use this Multi Matte Blush by Catrice Cosmetics. This is in number 10. Love Rosie, and it says 4 soft matte blush shades for an individual and fresh look on cheekbones. I think I will just use all of them with my brush because the lines are very thin. I will take this BH Cosmetics brush. This is number 3. So this is the first time I use this blush. I have it for a few days and I always forget to use it. So let's apply some. I don't think for darker skin tones this color will work, and I think Catrice and Essence, they never have a lot of products for darker skin tones. actually. Especially foundations, they don't have. So for highlighting my cheekbones, I will use the Becca highlighter in the color Moonstone, and I will take E40 by Sigma. This is my favorite brush to apply my highlighter on my cheekbones. I don't know, I find it very useful. It blends it exactly how I want. So what brush do you use for your highlighter? Let me know. I want to know what you use. We are all beauty junkies here. And I also like to take a big fluffy brush and do big circular motions all over my face, and that's it. Done. So now it's time to do, oh, what happened? I'm losing my earring. Stay. Okay, all is good. So for my brows today, I will use the Superlast 24-hour eyebrow pomade pencil by Essence. I will also use the Lash and Brow Designer Shaping and Conditioning Mascara Gel by Catrice Cosmetics. And after that, I take a flyer, whatever I have on my desk, and I just try to make it set like this. Now it's time for the eyes, and I will use the Viseart Tryst palette, and I have been using this palette non-stop for the last 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I'm not sure. I have a review about this palette, I will link it down below, and I want to do a very easy smoky eye makeup that I usually do when I have to get out of the house quickly and I don't want to be late. When I am in a hurry, I take a brown eye pencil and I line my lashes very close to my lashes, very close, and then I blend it a little bit with my finger, so this way my lashes will look fuller, and you don't have to be precise, and just blend it a little bit, and that's it. We will apply eyeshadows, and this is Stubborn Brown Eye Pencil by MAC. So I will take an eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre. This is number 35, and I will take eyeshadow Rendezvous, and I will apply it for my brow bone highlighter. After that, I will take the brush Look Soft Crease 221 by Zoeva, and I will take eyeshadow Liaison, and I will apply this eyeshadow into my crease, and I will also blend it towards my brow bone. After that, I'm taking again the same eyeshadow brush, and I want to use this purple eyeshadow all over my eyelid. This is a Rapture, and I will apply it all over my eyelid. And as you can see, I have my brush like this, and after that, twist it and blend the product upwards inside your crease, and this way you will have a very blended look and you will not have any lines of eyelid that doesn't have a color. I will apply just a little bit more on the center of my eyelid to make the color pop. And after that, I'm taking a smudging brush by Essence. This is a new brush. This is so tiny. You can see the difference with the previous brush. Look, so cute! So tiny! And I will take eyeshadow Rapture and I will apply it all over my lower lash line. After that, I will take eyeshadow Illicit, and with an angled brush, I will use the eyebrow brush by Essence. I will apply it very close to my lashes. And as we can see now, because my eyes are a little bit hooded, I look like I am sad, so I need to uplift my eyes. So I will take Luxe Eye Blender 225 brush by Zoeva, and I will take eyeshadow Illicit. I will apply it in the outer crease of my eyes and then bring it into the middle of my crease and blend it outwards and also a little bit towards my brow bone. And this eye looks more uplifted, happy, and this one looks a little bit sad. And we have a very easy smoky eye look with only 4 eyeshadows. I have used Rendezvous, Liaison, Illicit, and Rapture. I will take again my brown eye pencil and I will apply it all over my waterline. And after that, I will use this mascara by Essence. This is Lashes of the Day Super Volume Mascara. And I like this mascara. My problem is that it is so difficult to remove. So this is how my lashes look with 2 layers of this mascara and with no mascara. So let's move on to the lips. I will apply lip liner Wish Me a Rose all over my lips as a base. For lipsticks, I am between these two. This is the Ultra Last by Essence in the color Pink Candy, and the other one is again by Essence. This is a matte lipstick in the color Pink Up Your Life. So I will use the matte lipstick by Essence. Don't forget to let me know which ear headband should be my next one. And if you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!